going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another episode. In today's episode, guys, we're going to be installing some more parts on our SEMA M4. As you guys can see, we have a lot of parts that are here. We're going to go ahead and go through all these parts and show you exactly which ones they are. Also, we're going to be showing you guys exactly which wheels we decided to go with on our M4. You guys definitely don't want to miss it because these wheels are absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. So yeah, guys, starting off with the first piece, as you guys can see, is our brand new beautiful carbon fiber engine bay cover. This is a full dry carbon piece. It's gonna look so good in the engine bay. Right now we have our stock cover on that we painted tanzanite blue to color match the car, but the car is not gonna be blue anymore, and you guys will find out very soon which color it's gonna be. Then moving on, we have our carbon fiber intake covers. Really nice piece. This is gonna look really good in the engine bay. Then of course, moving on to more carbon fiber, we have our cooling plate cover. This is going to be a huge piece. We're really excited to get this piece in because we're going to be able to have more of our bolts exposed, and we can show off more of our cool down star bolts that we're going to be putting on as well. Then we have our cowl covers. We currently don't have these on, so I'm super excited to see these in the engine bay because this is going to be a cool addition, and we recently launched these on our website as well. Then we also have another carbon fiber piece, which is going to be our battery cover. Our stock one is currently paint matched as well. It is tanzanite blue, but this one's gonna look much better. So right here, guys, as you can see, we have some lights. So we're gonna be going with the clear CSL style tail lights. So if you guys look, there's no red tint here. The only red you'll see is when the actual lights light up. These are gonna look really good. You don't see too many builds with these, and I think it's gonna be a good addition. Then something cool and subtle just to add some smoke sequential turn signals. Then moving on to the last piece that you guys can see right here that's on the table. Remember, we still have more parts coming, but that's right here is our new golden wrench caps. These are inspired from the carbon ceramic gold color that comes on the FAX G8X. This color is really nice. I'm super excited to be the first in the road with this color. So huge shout out to Golden Wrench. I really appreciate you guys for always being a good partner with us. But yeah, guys, it's time to move on to the wheels and show you exactly which ones we went because these are absolutely nuts. Alright guys, so moving on to probably one of our most favorite parts of this build, and that is going to be our wheel setup. In front of you guys, you can see we have a two-piece custom wheels. These wheels are from Kicks Wheels, so huge shout out to Kicks Wheels for being part of our build. These are a two-piece custom setup. As you can see, we ended up going with the satin black face with the gloss black lid. This color combo just looks really good, and it's going to go very well with the color we're going to be doing. So yeah guys, hope you guys like the wheels. Let us know down in the comments below, what do you guys think about them? Would you guys run them on your G8X? But anyways guys, enough of me talking. Let's get on with installing the parts.